It starts as scrap.
Heat changes everything. This is the result.
These aluminum scraps become smooth industrial sheets.
It starts as waste metal.
The process is continuous. Size is controlled. Only aluminum moves forward.
Purity matters.
The metal is broken down. This is raw aluminum feed.
The scrap is washed clean.
Clean metal melts better. The transformation begins here.
Heat is applied. The metal responds.
Structure begins to change. Melting starts.
Pieces fuse.
Aluminum turns liquid. Movement stays controlled.
Temperature is stable. Impurities separate.
Purity is improved. The melt is clean.
Flow is guided. Direction is controlled. A steady stream forms.
The liquid is dense.
Flow is adjusted. The melt stays uninterrupted. The metal is ready. Heat is maintained.
The melt remains stable. Everything is prepared for shaping. Molten aluminum stays metallic. The pour is controlled. The slab takes shape. Cooling starts immediately.
Cooling starts immediately. A solid slab is formed. The slab moves forward. Rolling begins. Thickness is reduced. The surface stays smooth. The surface stays smooth. The process is continuous. Precision is maintained. Control is constant. Edge qualt matters. The sheet is ready. The metal flows smoothly. Thickness stay consistent. The surface remains metallic and clean. The metal cools completely. Flatness is critical. Thickness is controlled. Edges stay precise. Surface quality is checked. Only perfect sheets move on. The line stays steady. Alignment is finalized. The finish is clean. Length stays consistent. The process remains controlled. Final checks complete. Sheets are ready. Stacking begins. Precision is visible. Production continues. From scrap to sheet, controlled at every step. The process is complete. Smooth, strong, reusable. This is aluminum processing.